Hello, children. Welcome to your English class. I hope all of you are doing fit and fine. Now, children, today we are going to do a new chapter, The Polite Goldilocks. It is a story about a girl called Goldilocks. We are going to see in this story what happens with her. We all love to listen to stories, yes? And many times our grandparents, our parents tell us stories and we enjoy them. So today we are going to do this little story about polite Goldilocks. Now in this story, children, there is a little girl whose name is Goldilocks, and she has gone in the woods to collect flowers. Now while she is collecting the flowers, she sees a little cottage. एक छोटी सी घर उसको दिखता है, cottage. Now when she goes near that cottage, she opens the door, and what does she see there? शी बिकम्स हंग्री ऑल्सो. उसको बहुत भूख भी लग रही होती बिकॉज वो वुड्स में फ्लावर्स कलेक्ट करते करते थक जाती है. सो वेन शी गोज इन साइड द कॉटेज, वॉट शी सीज दैट देर इज़ अ टेबल लेड आउट. बहुत सुंदर सी टेबल लगी हुई है. एंड शी सीज 3 bowls. इन बोल्स में क्या है? देर इज़ पॉरेज, जिसको हम लोग दलिया बोलते हैं, है ना. सो देर इज़ पॉरेज केप्ट देयर इन द 3 bowls. नाउ as she was feeling so hungry, she wants to eat that porridge. So she picks up the porridge from the first bowl, then she picks up the porridge from the second bowl, and from the third bowl also. Now, as the story continues, we'll find out what all she sees and whom she meets. ये घर किसका था, ये कॉटेज किसकी थी, ये सब हमें पता चलेगा जब हम इस स्टोरी को और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी? ये जानने के लिए कि वो पॉरेज किसने बनाया था, who made that porridge, who lived in that cottage, and as there were 3 bowls, that means 3 लोग तो ज़रूर ही रहते होंगे वहाँ पे. So now let us find out. So we shall read this story about polite Goldilocks. Now Goldilocks was a little girl who loved to collect flowers in the woods. One day she came upon a little cottage where 3 bears lived. Now कौन रहता था इस cottage में? 3 bears. They were not at home. Goldilocks was quite hungry after her walk. When she saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table, she decided to have some. Because she was hungry, उसको तो भूख लग रही थी. So when she saw 3 bowls of porridge, she just wanted to have them. Now, what she did? She first had a spoonful from the big bowl and said, "This is too cold." तो सबसे पहले उसने जो सबसे बड़ा वाला बोल था उसमें से खाया. She then tasted the porridge in the medium-sized bowl. Now all the bowls, 3 bowls were there. 3 bowls were of different sizes: the big bowl, the medium bowl, and the small bowl. So now the medium-sized bowl, when she tasted, she said, "This is hot." बहुत ही गर्म है ये तो. Now when she tried the porridge in the small bowl, she found it to be perfect. She said, "This is yummy," and ate it all up. और वो सारा खा गई. कौन सा वाला? जो सबसे smallest bowl में था. Then what happens? Feeling tired, she sat down on the biggest chair there, but found it too high for her. So she tried sitting on the smaller one, but found that high too. When she sat on the smallest chair, she said, "This is just right for me." But just as Goldilocks sat down on it, the chair broke into pieces. So now what happens? अब वो इतनी थक गई थी, शी वॉन्ट्स टू सिट ऑन अ चेयर. तो सबसे पहले वो बिग चेयर पे बैठी. अब चेयर्स भी वहाँ पे 3 थे. सबसे बड़ी चेयर, देन एक मीडियम साइज चेयर, एंड देन वन स्मॉल चेयर. सो गोल्डी लॉक्स पहले बड़े वाले पे बैठी. शी सेड इट्स टू हाई, बहुत ऊंची है, इट्स टू हाई फॉर हर. देन शी सैट ऑन द स्मॉलर वन, दैट इज वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी हाई फॉर हर. And lastly, she sat on the smallest one, and she loved to sit on it. But what happened? जैसे ही वो उस चेयर पे बैठी, चेयर तो टूट गई. She sat down on it and the chair broke into pieces. Now, feeling sleepy, she was very sleepy. Feeling sleepy now, Goldilocks thought she would lie down on one of the beds there. There were 3 beds. The biggest one was too hard. Smaller one was too also quite hard. But When she lay down on the smallest one, जो सबसे छोटा बेड था, she cried out, "This one is so comfortable." Soon she was fast asleep. और वो छोटे वाले बेड में सो गई. When the bears got back home and saw the mess around, they wondered who had done it. Hearing the noise, Goldilocks woke up. Seeing the bears, she ran out in fright. अब वो घर तो बेयर्स का था, तो जब बेयर्स घर वापस आए, देन व्हाट दे सॉ पूरा घर गंदा संदा पड़ा हुआ है, उनका पॉरेज भी किसी ने खा लिया है, द चेयर इज ऑल्सो ब्रोकन. और जब वो लोग धीरे धीरे अपने बेडरूम में पहुंचे, तो बेबी बेयर सेड, ओ सी ममा, समबडी इज स्लीपिंग ऑन माई बेड. कोई तो मेरे बेड पे भी सो रहा है. फिर क्या हुआ? उनके शोर शराबे को सुन के गोल्डीलॉक्स तो उठ गई. एंड जैसे उसने देखा कि उसके सामने 3 बेयर्स खड़े हुए हैं, वो डर के भागी वहां से. शी रैन आउट ऑफ द हाउस इन फ्राइट. एट स्कूल नेक्स्ट डे, गोल्डीलॉक्स टीचर टॉट हर अ राइम. अब अगले दिन जब वो स्कूल पहुंची, वहां पे क्या हुआ? उसके टीचर ने उनको एक राइम सिखाई. नाउ व्हाट वाज दैट राइम? Manners are such lovely things. It's really fun to say sorry, please, and thank you in a polite way. Now Goldilocks realized her mistake. तो गोल्डीलॉक्स को एहसास हुआ कि उसने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी है. शी वेंट बैक टू द बेयर्स हाउस. और वो वापस गई. शी मेट मामा बेयर एंड आस्क्ड, प्लीज मे आई हेल्प यू इन मेकिंग सम मोर पॉरेज. शी देन हेल्प्ड मामा बेयर मेक पॉरेज फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम. Goldilocks met Papa Bear and said, please teach me how to mend the chair that I broke. Papa Bear taught her how to mend the chair, and Goldilocks thanked him well. Finally, the little girl met Baby Bear and said, I am sorry, I rumpled your bed. Let me help you make it. She helped Baby Bear make all the beds. Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear were very happy to have Goldilocks with them. So, children, Goldilocks behaved politely with the bears after getting this value from the teacher that she should be polite, and the bears loved to see her back with them. Why? Because she behaved very politely and helped them. So, we should all behave politely and help each other. If we have done some mistake, we should say sorry immediately. And if somebody has done something good for us, we should always remember to thank that person. So, as good manners, we should all have these 3 words. We have read a poem also, 3 magic words, if you remember: sorry, please, and thank you. So, these 3 magic words, beta, are always going to help you in life. So, just as Goldilocks, polite Goldilocks, उसका नाम polite इसीलिए पड़ा because she was very polite. So just like Goldilocks was polite, we all should be very polite to each and every one. And we should always use the words sorry, please, and thank you and make others happy. That's all. Thank you, class.